Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cherry from Cherry Beauty Stop. Hello everyone, I hope you're fine, you're good and healthy. And for today we're gonna do a blue eye look and snowflakes. So it's kind of the same what I did the last video, but I just do only the eyes. So just a little bit quick tutorials. So let's dive in. Okay, our eyes is almost done. It's time for our snowflakes. Now I have my white paint here, face painting. This is for face painting, so if you're asking, so yeah, let's do it. Holy guacamole, I already done this and I forgot to press the recording thing. So I just put, don't worry, I'm gonna done more. Okay, one more. We are done. Let's do the other eyes. and our face, and I'll be back. And this is our final look. Yay! It's our easy snowflakes here. Did you see it? Sorry, I was looking at my bangs. It's like hello. they're not in the same size, but whatever. So yeah. Oh, MIG. MIG. What do you think of my snowflakes, guys? I know it's like blue, and not everyone have snow in their area, especially in the Philippines. So that's why I saw a lot of people are doing it, and they're doing like Christmas theme. I'm sorry, it's like I have to stop. They're doing Christmas theme, and I don't know if I will do like Rudolph or Christmas light, whatever, but I have to practice because it's not easy. It's like it's not easy when I do it because I don't know, it's just my, what is this, my white paint is like it change, like it becomes like orange, whatever, but whatever. So I hope you like it, guys, and thank you for watching, and of course don't forget to give me a thumbs up and a like and subscribe if you are not subscribed yet here in my channel, and thank you for watching if you're already subscribers here. And yeah, this is my final look. I hope you like it, and always remember that there's always someone who loves you.